friends. So today, my nutritionist friend is coming over for a simple lunch because we are having a discussion on our health workshops. I'm going to show you what I'll be cooking for her today for this simple lunch. So join me, let's get started. This is a Thai-inspired dish. I'm using curry leaves and firm tofu instead of basil leaves and pork. I'm also keeping it vegetarian to make it healthier. The ingredients are my favorite: garlic, ginger, onion and chili. They have great immunity building, antibacterial and healing properties. Ginger helps in circulation too. In Ayurvedic medicine, curry leaves are believed to have anti-diabetic, antioxidant, antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Eggs and firm tofu are excellent sources of protein. Omit the eggs if you wish to keep the dish vegan. Roughly slice the garlic, ginger and onion into smaller pieces and chop it up in a food processor. I usually make a bigger batch and keep the rest in the fridge for future use. Finely slice the chilli into small rounds. Remove the curry leaves from the stalks. Wash them thoroughly and leave them to air dry. Squeeze out the excess water from the firm tofu. Mash them up with a fork. Don't they look like minced meat now? Time to cook. Fry the eggs. Set them aside. Now fry the curry leaves with a little oil at low to medium heat till they are crispy. Set them aside too. Heat up 3 tablespoons of pure peanut oil. Peanut oil helps improve insulin sensitivity and tastes great for this recipe. You can also use coconut oil. Fry the firm tofu until it's golden brown. Add in 2 tablespoons of the chopped ginger, onion and garlic. Add in some chili slices according to your acceptable heat level. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce or healthier alternatives like liquid aminos, a generous amount of pepper and a drizzle of raw honey. Lastly, stir in the fried curry leaves. I serve this with high-fiber brown rice or quinoa when I want to go carb-free, with an optional wedge of Thai lime for added fresh vitamin C. Hey, so my beautiful friend is here. Let's hear what she thinks about this Thai-inspired vegetarian lunch.
Hi, children. Thank you so much. Wow, very colorful and smells good. Let me taste. Tastes very nice. It's a bit sweet and salty and a bit sour, spicy.
A bit too spicy for you?
Yes.
Haha, I just made Jing Fang nervous. I'm so grateful that I have friends who are easy to please. Friends who will travel all the way just to enjoy my simple one-dish meals. May we all be blessed with true friendships. Friends who will think that who we eat with is more important than what we eat.